show you what Mindanao really looks like.
Welcome to Mindanao, where Mindanao is home to some of the most progressive cities in the Philippines. Davao City is the largest city in the Philippines in terms of land area and serves as a Mindanao's economic center with a booming trade and agricultural industry. Cagayan de Oro, the city of golden friendship, thrives with businesses and tourism, as well as General Santos City, the tuna capital of the Philippines, helps feed the world. Tourist spots? Mindanao has it all. World-famous surfing in Siargao, the pristine beaches of Samal, the breathtaking of Mount Apo, and the majestic Tinoyan Falls. Yes, there were struggles, but Mindanaoans are not defined by them. Today, peaceful building efforts continue, proving that unity is stronger than division.
Ganun pala yung trend. May magaganda din palang place sa Mindanao. Sadyang na-misinterpret mo. You know what? I feel bad for stereotyping Mindanao.
Ngayon, alam niyo na, kaya itigil natin yung mga misconceptions na ginapakalat dito sa places natin. Actually, hindi rin naman kasi sa Mindanao lang yung gina-stereotype. Kaya dapat, pag-respect natin is overall. Kumbaga, dapat i-respeto din natin yung mga tao, yung mga different cultures, even all the infrastructures na nandun. Kasi mostly din naman sa Mindanao is meron din mga magagandang places and meron din naman mga buildings doon as well. Like dito din sa city natin.
Guys, ganito na lang siguro. Pagpatuloy na lang natin yung larap natin.